Now, as you can see the first slide, the Docker installation process, the OS requirements, if you have Ubuntu operating system, you can have Focal, the version will be 20.04 LTS. Again, if you have Ion, you can have the version 19.10. Otherwise, Ubuntu Bionic 18.04 LTS. Otherwise, Ubuntu Xenial 16.04 LTS. And rather than this, also if you have Windows, we will be showing you how to install your Docker platform inside your Windows directly from through the online. And also we have one more option, that is like your online things through this website, whatever has been mentioned in your screen right now. We will be going directly through that, and we have to create our user ID, password, and then we will be going directly through our logins. So this online website name is Play with Docker, and you can directly use this Play with Docker for 4 hours. If suppose you want to go for more hours, it will be automatically log out. Again, you can log in with your same Docker ID, and you can go for your next again 4 hours of session. I hope you all of you are following us. If you have any doubts, or if you have any queries, or if you didn't get us, please keep writing in the group chat, or you can personally chat with us. No worries for that. We will be keep checking the chat box. Thank you. Next, I'll be moved towards my next slide. As you can see the slide, once we will be going through our Play with Docker, it will be open, it will be showing you in this way. As you can see the login, that this is directly we are playing from our online. So once you will click on your Play with Docker, you have to give your Docker ID and password. And how to give that one, like once you will click on your login, it will show you the Docker. Click on your Docker. Please follow my instructions carefully. If you want, I will be going very slowly. You have to note it down all this process, otherwise it will be quite difficult to go for the command session. Now I'll be repeating the same thing. First we have to go with the Google. We have to type Play with Docker, then we have to click on login. Once we will click on login, it will open the Docker. So now it will be asking you the email ID and the Docker ID and the password. Kindly you have to provide your email ID, whatever the email you are using, and Docker ID can be created, whatever the number or any name, whatever you want to give, that you have to remember. And next, password, as per your choice you can give. You will get one confirmation email through your mail ID, and there you have to give the, you have to confirm your email. Once you will be done with that, once you will be done with that, you are going to use this. I'll be going my next slide. Once you will be given your logins, you can start the session. Once you will click on start, you can see the window in this way, where in your left corner you can see the timer will be starting. The timer will be starting, and you can see first you have to click on your add new instance. Once you will click on your add new instance, you can see the playground area where we are going to play with our Docker commands. And in this way we have to start. You can find out your system IP address, and if you have written any kind of programs, whatever the open port you have been used, you can see directly that one from your open port. You can see next to IP address, one more is there, that is your open port. You can directly utilize that one. So now next we will be showing you all these things in hands-on, directly through hands-on. And if I will go, if I'll move towards my next slide, these all are the commands. These all are the 1 minute. These all are the commands. Whatever you can see right now, will be explaining you everything in detail one by one, and we will be showing you the hands-on all these commands. So no need to copy down all the commands now. When we will be going through our hands-on, you can check it out all these things and you can note it down. Next also, if you want to set your repository, that time you have to follow this command sudo apt-get update, and that time you have to go through your install. If you want to install your Docker engine, you can follow this apt-get update and install commands and all these things. Okay, so now we will be moving towards our next slide. These all are the container commands which we are going to use. These all are going to be used for our Docker containers. Here I have created my container name as my command. This container command you can give whatever you want. And these all are the commands. In this slide too, you can see all the commands: how to build an image, how to push an image, how to see the list of images, history, inspect, remove, versions. All these things we are going to show you right now in hands-on.